Assalamualaikum guys, this is me Ryan Equally, and I guess it is being over 5 or 6 years since I've uploaded any video to this channel. So you must be thinking why I'm uploading this video again, why I'm starting this journey again. So the whole reason is to document my own journey of starting my own business. You know, I used to upload content on this channel every week and I was very passionate about YouTube. I was feeling like content creation is in my blood. But when I started my own professional business, I was so stuck in the fulfillment of the business that I was having no time to upload my own content again. The guy who was full of dreams, who used to capture every moment of his life, was just stuck in business fulfillment. But now at this point, I feel like this is the best time to get active on this channel again, so that I can capture my moments every week and show you the progress of my own business, that what are the things that you can achieve as a 21 years old Pakistani boy. So guys, I'm pretty excited to show you my daily routine, my daily lifestyle and the daily hustle that I go through. So yeah, I'll keep you updated with that. But the first thing that I do in the morning is gym, because I do feel like that really helps with my productivity and my creativity. I stay organized throughout my whole day, and today is the Monday, start of the week. So I really wanted to start this week with a strong willpower. So yeah, right now we are going to gym, but first let's go grab a quick coffee. One Mandela ice latte. Yes. So we just have the coffee. Actually, I was supposed to drink hot coffee, but I don't know. I was feeling super warm that I thought like a cold coffee would be a good fit for me today. So here it is. I don't really like the taste of the coffee, but when you take the first sip of the coffee in the early morning, it feels like something is spreading in your brain. Like, you know, when you drop a ink drop in the water, it slowly spreads. I really do feel like in the same way, when I take the first sip of the coffee, it slowly spreads in my brain. Okay boys, right now I'm outside my gym. I'm usually supposed to come at gym at 6:30 am or 7 am, but right now it is 7:30 am. Just because of this content creation, I'm 30 minutes late from my schedule of today. So let's quickly go to the gym and finish our workout and start our day with the work. Let's go. I was sure there was not going to be a lot of people this early in the gym, and that is exactly where I get my power from. So yeah, let's do the workout and let's continue the grind. I just had a 30 minutes extreme cardio session. Now I'm going to take a 5 minutes break and then it's time to pull up some weight. A hard day to start, but we have to keep up with the momentum. All the hard work you do pays off when you see this. So boys, our gym session is over. According to my watch, I just hit 1000 calories today. Now it's time to go home, take breakfast and continue the work session of today. Let's go. Assalamualaikum boys, this is Tuesday and right now the time is 7:30 am. I know I'm a little late. Actually I didn't wake up on time. I woke up around I guess 6:30 am, which is a pretty late. I missed up my two schedules, which was morning prayer and catching up with everything. But right now it is time for the gym and I'm also 30 minutes late there. So the first thing that we are going to do is grab a quick coffee. Then we are going to go to the gym because today is the leg day and that is the most difficult day of every workout that I do. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, we are at the gym. I can see a lot of bikes, but I can't see many cars here. That means there are not a lot of people here in the gym right now. So yeah, let's go to the gym and let's start the workout of the day. Much better. Just had a 30 minutes cardio session. Now I'm going to take 5 minutes of rest. Then I'm going to straight into my leg workout. I know I'm quite late today, but we have to get up with the schedule because I do have a lot of work to do. ਪਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਟੁੱਲ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਯਾਰ ਜੋੜੇ ਨੇ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਯਾਰ ਜੋੜੇ ਨੇ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੁੱਲ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਤਾਂ So I'm back home, but guess what? We have two videos that we need to do urgently. So out of those two videos, I'm able to send one video to my editor, and for the other video, I have decided to work on that video myself. Because beside business owner, I'm a video editor as well. So in order to secure this client, I need to get in the ground myself. So guys, wish me best of luck.
Later.
Hello boys, what's up? So अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 8 and today everything went out of the plan. I was supposed to do outreach, follow up meeting with editors and all the different stuff, but guess what? I was stuck in the fulfillment of the business. Means I was editing the whole day, and you know what? The video isn't completed yet. It is almost there, but there is still 10% of the work required on it, and client is almost going to text me up with the deadline. But I'm not here to tell you that. Right now I do have a meeting plan with my team member who lives in the same city as I do, so we both are going to meet up for the first time. Right now he is sitting in a cafe waiting for me, and I'm here recording the video. But vlog is also important. So after this clip, I'm going straight to that cafe and I'm going to meet him for the first time in my life. Right now it is 12 AM and the next day is starting. Boys, to be honest, I'm super frustrated right now. Video editing is such a hard job, bro. Especially when you are having a urgent deadline. And in my case, it is super stressful, boys. I usually go to sleep around 9 to 10 PM, but right now it is 12 AM and I have to wake up at 5 AM as well. Then I have to go through the entire schedule of basically, as a business owner, it is super easy to showcase your life on socials, but in order to fulfill that sort of life, the amount of work you have to put in, that is the most hard part. So yeah guys, whoever is willing to have same life as I'm having, you will have to go through the same struggles that I'm going through right now. Assalamualaikum boys. Today is Wednesday and I woke up around 6:30 AM. As you guys know, I usually go to the gym around 6:30 AM and right now we are 1 hour late. Boys, I didn't sleep properly last night because I was dealing with an urgent edit from the client, and today I got the same urgent edit from the client again. So I don't know how I'm going to manage my entire day today, because yesterday I was not able to do the outreach, and as a business owner, I do feel like yesterday was full of loss. Even though we secure a client, I guess it was full of loss because I was not able to complete my outreach. But yeah, I didn't take the coffee today because if I go to the coffee place, it will take me the other 15 to 20 minutes to just go and grab the coffee. So right now, as I'm already late, I'm going to save up some time and I'm going to skip the coffee today and I'm going to go straight into my workout. But yeah, I forgot to tell you that today is the shoulder and back day, and in terms of gym, Monday and Wednesday are my most favorite days. So today is one of them. So let's see how excited I am to pull the workout today. So boys, I'm in my gym right now and today I'm not able to see a lot of people as well, and you guys know this is where my strength comes from. So yeah, we are going to have an extreme 30 minutes cardio session and then we are going to go straight into my workout. Then it is 30 minutes extreme cardio session. We're going to take a quick 5 minutes break. Then we are going to pull up some weight today. So yeah, let's go.
ਲੂਜ਼ਰ ਜੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਿੱਟ ਤੇ ਸਕਾਫ, ਯਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਲੰਡੂਆਂ ਦੀ ਟਾਣੀ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਖੌਫ, ਸਾਡੇ ਬੇਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਚੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਉਂਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੜੇ ਨੇ ਸਟਾਪ।
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਚ ਕਰਦੀ ਨੀ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੇਟੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਦਾਰੂ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪੈਰ ਤੇ, ਤੂੰ ਹੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲ ਕੌੜਾ ਕੌੜਾ ਝਾਕਦੀ ਨੀ, ਬਾਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਸਲਾਮਾਂ ਵੇਲੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਤੇ।
So hey boys, I'm done with my gym today. Right now I will be going to home to set up my Google Calendar so that we can exactly figure out what sort of work we are having today and how we have to plan out stuff to make sure that we are done with all the work and we spend a productive day. So yeah, let's go. So boys, here's the good news. I do have sent the initial video to the client and he really liked it. He has sent one small change which I'm going to send him back in a little bit. But here's the exciting news. He has sent me another short as well, which means he is really interested in working with me and we are going to have a lot of work in the future with him as well. So I would say all the hard work I did today paid me off. But right now the time is 1 AM and after sending the final version to the client, I'm straight going back to the bed so that I can wake up at 5 AM because we really have to keep up the momentum with the discipline. Today is Thursday and things are pretty much messed up because I didn't wake up properly. I actually woke up around 9 AM. So what I'm going to do is firstly I'm going to organize all the content for my client, and once I'm done with that, I'm quickly going to do the new cold outreach for today. And once I'm done with the cold outreach of the today as well, then I also do have a video that I need to deliver to the client because I have received from the editor, and I just wanted to go through the entire video to see if there are any mistakes and client can upload that video as well. I also forgot to mention that as I woke up late, I have also skipped the gym today, but I'll make sure to go to the gym by tonight so that I don't skip any gym day, as gym is the only thing which really motivates me towards my work.
Later.
अभी इस टाइम रात के 2 बज रहे और जैसा कि आज मैंने प्लान किया हुआ था कि जो क्लाइंट की तरफ से मुझे शॉर्ट आई हुई है वो मैंने एडिट करके एक स्ट्रेटेजिकली प्लान के साथ उससे टाइमली फिनिश करके आउटरीच करूँगा, फिर बिजनेस के ऊपर स्ट्रेटजीज बनाऊँगा, फिर 1-2 क्लाइंट्स को फ्री वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करनी वो करूँगा। बट उस शॉर्ट एडिटिंग करने में इतना टाइम लग गया, तब से लेके रात के अभी इस टाइम 2 बज रहे एंड आई एम दी वन हु इज़ एडिटिंग दैट शॉर्ट, और अभी रेंडर लगा के वो मैं क्लाइंट को सेंड करने लगा। But yeah, boys, I hope client likes the video. So yeah, tomorrow I guess we have to plan something out to fix that thing up. Assalamualaikum, boys. So today is Friday and right now it is around 7 a.m. Today gym was closed, so I went to the park and I took 5 rounds of the park as jogging and even played football on the top of it. Right now I'm going back to the home so that we can see what are the tasks that we can do today. And yeah, boys, I'm super excited to nail this day as well. So right now it is 7 p.m. Again, I didn't get a chance to record much today, but here's an overview of what I did today. So after reaching back home from the park, I did some of the client work where I was supposed to edit a short. Then I created a custom strategy for one of my potential leads so that I can make sure that I can secure him as a client. And then later I took a mentorship call with my business partner today. But yeah, as of right now, I did so much this week that I deserve a little break. So right now I'm going out with my friend to some cafe for chill out. So yeah, right now I'm going towards it. And yeah, I'll show you what else we planned. So boys, we were sitting in a cafe and right now the food has arrived. This is our food for tonight. So yeah guys, see you later. So hey boys, I'm back and now it's time to end the vlog. But before that, I'm going to recall the progress that I did this week so that I can see what actually I did this week, where I was lacking and where I can improve by the next week. So I did around 150 to 200 new pieces of outreach on multiple platforms, which includes Twitter and Instagram. I know it's very less compared to what others are doing, and I guess that is the only main reason why I'm not able to secure any client till now. But guess what? We are going to improve that by the next week. I also provided free 5 to 7 pieces of content strategies for the leads who were interested in my services. Follow-ups were barely done, so we need to improve that by the next week as well. But here are the exact things that we did this week. I did went to the gym almost every day, but I do remember there were 2 days where I was not able to go to the gym. So by the next week, we also have to be consistent with our gym. Anyways, I also edited 3 short form content from one of my clients who has over 50 million subscribers, which was a good thing, but it was also a bad thing because I'm the business owner and my job is to work on the business, and I was working in the business, and that is the major reason why I was not able to do much outreach this week. But guess what? I have hired another editor for that who is going to take that work from me. So hopefully by the next week I will have more time to do outreach and I'll be more consistent with that. My team also did multiple videos for my clients, which is also a good thing. But since this week I was not able to book any call, I will try my best to close at least 1 book call by the next week so that we can see the momentum. But yeah, I forgot to mention I also started uploading content to my Instagram and Twitter. So I was pretty consistent with that. So yeah, by far if we see this thing as the first week, we are at a good pace. But that really doesn't mean that there is nothing to improve. We really need to improve the amount of work that we are putting in the business, because right now the outreach system is not that much perfect, so we need to be consistent with that. And once I guess we are consistent with that, inshallah by the next week we are going to close at least a client. So yeah boys, I'm pretty excited with that. But yeah, I'm going to end this video on this note that things are not going to work unless you do. So yeah boys, that's it for today's vlog. Let me know what do you think about this vlog, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you by the next week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.